Welcome to AB Judge.
AB Judge Styles.
This is AB Judge. Welcome to AB Judge. This is AB Judge. Welcome to AB Judge. 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 AB Judge.
Hi guys, for this tutorial we're going to be using this hair. It's a Remy human hair super idol. I used one pack of it. This is how the hair looks.
I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Because not today, be the day, I go take you down after all this time. Not today,
Now this is the cap I'll be using. Is a measuring cap. This is the lace I'll be using for the closure. So first you place down your mannequin head, and then you fix down your wig cap on top of the mannequin head like so.
Yes, of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, then I go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Call my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So
Next, you sew down your lace on top of your wig cap.
That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you the tight it. And when everything be dark, you the light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be, I feel it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine teeth. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebika call everything wallow kasa. Mwachuku kelo welu beauty ya bossa. Kupo other girls swallow my bone dosa. Sifana wachuku delo one day your bulla mumelo. Your bulla kwa mwa bello. No be ije mwa jello. No be say me I do pass them. But it be like say I'm blessed past them. Chukwa loka. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely, forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I want you to be by my
So after sewing down your lace, you cut out the wig cap so that your lace will be visible.
If you what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing. Be here for you, baby, that is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. I say for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Hey, baby, aside they put in the ringo. My heart they dance a lingo. See as our name the ringo. Yeah, popular. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely, forever and ever. Now you be my queen, baby, no say you my one and only. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely, forever and ever. Now you be my queen.
The next thing to do is to sew down your weave on. I sewed it ear to ear. I sewed from one end of the ear to the other end of the ear till I get to the top of the wig cap.
From my heart, shit, I got the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Because not today, be the day, I go take to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, again I go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Call my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you the tight it. And when everything be dark, you the light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be, I the feel it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine teeth. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebika call everything balokasa. Mwachuku kelo welu beauty ya osa. Kupo other girls swallow my bone dosa. Sifano kwa chuku jello one your bulla mumelo. Your bulla kwa mwa bello. No be ije mwa jello. No be say me I do pass them. But if you like say I'm blessed past them. Chuku aloka. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I want you to be by my side, girl, I'm loving you plenty. Without you around me, girl, you know that I'm empty. If you feel what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing, always be here for you, baby, that is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in health, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, tell me there. I say, for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in health, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, tell me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Baby, as I they put in the ringo. My heart they dance a lingo. See as our name the ringo. Yeah, popular. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, don't say you my one and only. You know, say, now it's important on the cross, my God.
Now to ventilate the lace, I did a previous video on how you can ventilate your lace, like how you can do your closure. I'll be leaving the link of the video in the description box below. If you want clearer video on how to do your closure, you can click on the link to watch it.
I go anywhere for you. Yeah, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I go die for you. I do anything for you, because not today, be the day, I go take you down after all this time, not today, be the day, I go ask you to be mine, I can't wait to see you smile, I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, don't say you my one and only. Do you do? Yes, of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, again I go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Call my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you the tight it. And when everything be dark, you the light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be, I the feel it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine teeth. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebika call everything balokasa. Mwachuku kelo welu beauty ya osa. Kupo other girls swallow my bone dosa. Sifano kwa chuku jello one your bulla mumelo. Your bulla kwa mwa bello. No be ije mwa jello. No be say me I do pass them. But if you like say I'm blessed past them. Chuku aloka. I promise to be by your side. Anything you do, baby, join me there. I say for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in health, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Hey, baby, aside they put in the ringo. My heart they dance a lingo. See as our name the ringo. Yeah, popular. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely.
So this is the final look of the hair. Thank you for watching. Please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share my video, subscribe to my channel, comment if you have any question on the comment box and I'll sure attend to it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.
You know, say, now it's important because my God.